I am working at Fresh Energy. I am their Capital Pathways intern. I've learned I like being in spaces where I feel very supported. When it comes to working in the Capitol, I've attended several hearings and I'm going to understand a lot more about, both the U.S. legislative system and then the Minnesota state system too.
I applied through the Capital Pathways program and they set me up with Clarity and Hood. The lobbyists here, they do work on housing, childcare, infrastructure, and I kind of help out in all these areas. I feel like I'm gaining a lot of technical knowledge. I definitely can see myself getting familiar with bill language, or I don't know, how to also talk, I think, or navigate talking with lawmakers and politicians.
I usually have a meeting with my supervisor, and after that I'm either here at the Capitol about 2 to 3 hours a day, and then I do some research for my research project that I'm working on with another member. For my research projects, I'm essentially gathering articles in different news sources, and whether that's also legislature, all about mining in Minnesota, so the mine of polymet and twin metals, and seeing how these mining companies essentially affect the environment.
I've also realized that so many other Mac students are doing all sorts of things in the Twin Cities, and it's kind of nice to be able to talk with them or kind of share information, or oh, how did you get here? What are some good things about this program or that program?
I am most proud about learning really a lot about the U.S. political system, especially when it comes to legislature. I feel like being an immigrant, someone who is not originally from the U.S., there was a big gap in my mind about how bills become laws and essentially how laws, guide the nation. So being in spaces where I can see, the process of that happening, right from the beginning, right from the get-go, I'm proud about, having learned, that system.